Hello and welcome to my channel and to my video about how to make miniature bricks. If you are doing a model train layout or any type of diorama, sooner or later you will come to the situation when you will need bricks. While it's possible to buy them, and if you need only a few of them, this is a good option. However, I'm building a big stone bridge, a viaduct, and I need really a lot of this. So for this I'm using some bricks that I have. I'll be using some plastic cover to do the mold, so I'll be putting this inside, and then I will use some silicone rubber. So enjoy the video, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe. This is what I'll be using for the mold. What's important is that when you are laying the bricks, that you also glue them just a bit, because of course I want to still be using them later. So I'll be using just a bit of the wood glue. I'll be putting this on each brick below, sorting them, and then putting the silicone around. So let's start. So now that all the bricks are nicely sorted and glued, I will wait a bit that this dries, and in the meantime I will prepare the silicone base. For preparing the silicone rubber, I'm buying this. I bought it on Amazon. There are a number of different ones. This is 1:1 ratio. Milliliter. The silicones come in two packages of 250. So they are both A and B, and we will have to mix them together to get the liquid that we will then pour into the mold. So the instructions are quite simple. Basically, we pour silicone A, then we have to put the same amount of silicone B into silicone A. Then we have to mix this in the mixing cup, not silicone based. This we mix for around 3 to 5 minutes, so included is a very nice texture, and then we apply put this into the container to making the mold, and we have to let it stay for around 12 hours. Not to destroy my table, I'm using plastic tray where I'm putting everything inside. Have to use some gloves, and this is for the mixing of the silicones together. This is my cup. I'll be using first silicone A. This is the measuring cup that you get next to it, so I'll be putting 30 milliliters of silicone A. Close this, not to silicone B. Have to put the same amount, so 30 milliliters. So now we have to mix 3 to 5 minutes. After 4 minutes of mixture, you will see that it becomes very uniform. However, there are still some bubbles inside, but this will disappear once you pour it. Let's go to the part where we have to now pour this. bubbles appearing. You can also still see many bubbles inside in the silicone, but this will disappear with time when this sets up. Now we have to wait 12 hours. So I waited now for more than 12 hours, actually it's more like 24 hours. So as you can see, the silicone is now hard. So it's time to try to take it out. And now we have to take it out. So now that all the bricks are out, I will also take some time to cut these sides away. So I think I cleaned quite well. So now that the mold is made, it's time to put some plaster inside and let's get some bricks done. So I bought this Krone model gyps. It's made for molding plaster, and it's made exactly for this kind of stuff. It's mixing 1 to 1, so 1 gram or 10 grams to 10 grams of water. So I'll use this kind of protective tray, and I will use a small cup. I'll put some gyps inside and then I will add water. Once the mixture is good, without any bubbles or any bigger pieces, it's time to put it into the mold. What's important is to put it slowly to avoid any bubbles appearing inside each brick. This I will now leave to dry, and then later on we'll check how it went. The gyps was now drying for some time inside this mold, and we'll take it out now and see how it looks. First impression is quite okay. The bricks are also quite nicely detailed. It keeps the texture. This is how I made the mold, then the bricks out. If you like the video, please subscribe.